Hey guys, hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see postdoctoral fellowship at IIT Guwahati, eligibility PhD in CSE. After selection, they will provide salary 49,910 per month, and also project assistant mobile application developer at IIT Raipur. Eligibility BE BTech CSE IT EC or ME MTech CSE IT or MCA, and research associate physical chemistry, computational physics or chemical engineering at IIT Patna. Eligibility PhD degree in physical chemistry, computational physics or chemical engineering. After selection, they will provide salary 25,000 to 47,000 per month, including HRA, depending upon various experience, qualification and designation. And this is the very good news for those who are literally waiting for this kind of opportunity, and don't miss it. And coming to content of this video, application are invited for an online interview or Skype for the following post: the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Guwahati, qualification in PhD CSE. After selection, they will provide salary 49,910 per month, and this is the PDF, duration 6 months. And interested candidate, they will send an application CV along with all qualification certificate, experience, contact details, phone number, email ID, Skype ID by 4th June 2021 at 3 p.m. Shortlisted candidate will be called for an online interview through email. For more details, contact official notification for the post of postdoctoral fellowship at IIT Guwahati. And coming to application are invited for project assistant mobile application developer under sponsor project at IIT Raipur for the year of 2021. The last date of application is 12th June. Coming to eligibility, first class with 60% aggregate, BE BTech in CSE IT EC or ME MTech in CSE IT or MCA. And coming to age limit 28 years. Eligible candidate should be sent their CV along with all documents through email, and they will provide email here srinu@iitnr.edu.in. and these are the responsibilities, and this is the initial appointment will be for 6 months. After they will be extended based on performance. In this duration, they will provide salary 25,000 per month. For more details, go through website project assistant mobile application developer at IIT Raipur. And coming to research associate, application are invited for physical chemistry, computational physics, chemical engineering at IIT Patna in the year of 2021. The last date of application is 20 June 2021, and duration is 1 year. And eligibility criteria: should have a PhD degree in physical chemistry, computational physics or chemical engineering with a strong theoretical and computational background in the area of statistical mechanics and molecular simulation. And age limit for applying for the research associate position shall be 35 years. Relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, women and PD as per rules. And interested candidate are requested to send application, updated resume with all educational qualification, 10th, inter and undergraduate, postgraduate with PhD in a single PDF through email, and they will provide here email address on or before 20 June. After selection, they will provide salary 47,000 plus including HRA as per rules. For more details, go through website, contact research associate physical chemistry, computational physics, chemical engineering at IIT Patna.